25 years is not just time, it is a journey. A journey shared with millions of riders, workshops, communities, and families who continue to move forward. For Mitra 2000, riding is not only about moving from one place to another. Riding is a way to build life, safer, more productive, and more impactful. The spirit of Ride to Thrive lives on the track, in the community, and in those who push their limits. Performance, discipline, and a champion's mindset, not only for racing, but for life. On off-road trails, we learn the same lesson. Every obstacle is not a reason to stop, but an opportunity to grow. Focus, courage, character. On the road, what matters most is not just speed, but trust. Looking out for one another, because together we go further. Every day there are those who are building their lives, leaving early in the morning, taking their families along, chasing dreams, and their motorcycles must be ready in all conditions. For 25 years, we have developed products not for short-lived trends, but for the real needs of riders, so that every journey delivers control, safety, and confidence. Because growth is not only about business, caring for the earth is part of the journey. Through Morgan Organic Solutions, we nurture the future together. "25 years are proof, but what matters most is the journey ahead. Together with riders, together with communities, together with Indonesian families, we will continue to move forward. Ride to Thrive.